Imagine if you could boost the health and weight gain of your chickens with a simple natural solution growing right in your backyard. Surprised? Today we are uncovering the incredible benefit of pawpaw leaves and seed, an age-old secret used by farmers worldwide to keep their flocks thriving. Stay tuned to learn how you can use pawpaw leaf meal, extract and seed to give your chicken a natural edge. Hi, my name is Uncle Samuel from poultryfarmguide.com. Let's dive into the world of pawpaw, also known as carica papaya, and discover how this versatile plant can transform your poultry farming. First, let's talk about the benefits. Pawpaw leaves and seed are packed with essential nutrients and compounds that promote better health and faster growth in chickens. Studies have shown that they contain powerful antioxidants, vitamin A, C, and E, and a variety of enzymes that aid digestion and enhance immune function. Research conducted by several universities have highlighted these benefits. For instance, feeding a fermented mixture of papaya leaf and seed meal, FERM, improve the economic performance, immune responses, physiological condition, and intestinal morphology of Indonesia indigenous crossbred chicken, ICC. Secondly, it also enhanced feed efficiency, reduced feed cost per weight gain, and increased income over feed costs of the chickens. The optimal inclusion level of FERM in ICC diet was determined to be up to 5 to 7.5%, as higher levels may impair renal function. Now, let's get hands-on. We will start with how to prepare pawpaw leaf meal, extract, and seed powder for your chickens. Firstly, for pawpaw leaf meal, you will need fresh pawpaw leaves. Here is what you have to do. Harvest fresh pawpaw leaves and spread them out in a shaded, well-ventilated area to dry for a few days. Ensure they are completely dry to prevent mold. Once dried, grind these leaves into a fine powder using a blender or a mill. Store this powder in an airtight container. You can add this pawpaw leaf meal to your chicken feed. The recommended inclusion rate is about 2 to 5% of the total feed. For example, if you are preparing 10 kilograms of feed, you could add around 200 to 500 grams of pawpaw leaf meal. Next, let's prepare pawpaw seed powder. Collect ripe pawpaw seeds, dry them thoroughly, and then grind them into a powder. You can add this seed powder directly to the feed at an inclusion rate of 0.5 to 1%. So for 10 kilograms of feed, you had add about 50 to 100 grams. Lastly, the pawpaw leaf extract, which can be added into chickens drinking water. Preparation: take fresh pawpaw leaves, wash them thoroughly, and chop them into small pieces. Boil this leaf in water for about 15 minutes, then let the mixture cool and strain out the solid parts. Add about 10 to 20 millimeters of this extract per liter of drinking water for your chickens. And here we have it. By incorporating pawpaw leaf meal, seed powder, and leaf extract into your chicken diet, you are not only promoting weight gain, but also enhancing their overall health naturally. See you on my next video. Bye. Sam is out.